I'm always looking for a faster, better, and easier way to dry my car, but without scratching the paint or glass. So I purchased this California water blade and use it on my cars now. But in fact, I've been using the original California blades for over 30 years. I really love that this tool removes large amounts of water very quickly from the car, making the whole car washing thing much faster. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use it and explain why I love it and mention a couple of things, well, that I just don't like. Now, by the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use in the description below. This silicone water blade is perfect for both the paint and glass of your car because the 100% premium medical grade silicone won't scratch. And the new V-blade design whisks water away super fast. The exceptional contouring and flexing ability removes 90% of the standing water from not just flat surfaces, also rounded surface, and the new ergonomic handle for ease of use. The reinforced ribs help keep the blade in contact with the surface. And check out this little detailer blade for side view mirrors and for the fog lights. It's clearly the world's most efficient car drawing tool. Now, don't confuse this blade with cheap inferior knockoffs. You need this original California blade. And it's super easy to use. Make sure the vehicle has been washed correctly and all the dirt has been removed and any soap rinsed away. Starting from the top, working your way down, squeegeeing water away from the car. This California blade is super quick at drying your car because what it does, it removes 90% of all the water off your car, as you can see, super fast. And due to its flexible shape, it fits contours super easily. And again, to quickly get rid of 90% of all the water off your car. And you can always follow it up with a blower or microfiber towel for a perfectly dry finish. And yeah, there's a few things that I don't like. Now, this version of the blade is more costly than some of the others. Also, you can only use this blade after thoroughly washing and rinsing your car. You cannot use it to remove water after a rain or just a quick rinse, as you might scratch your finish if it's used on a car that isn't perfectly clean. Click here for my complete car washing video and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.